They know that ultimately those DevOps tools, the orchestration tool you are going to learn, correct? It's not like that somebody immediately started they started deploying their microservices. If I'll tell now you are having 3.5 years of experience. If I'll tell Bhavya, okay, please go ahead and automate the Kubernetes cluster, will you able to do it? Tell me. Why you are not able to do it? Because I am directly putting you into a jet, okay, and telling you no, you have to fly it. What is wrong with people? Why they are misguiding? Because that requires a amount of experience and it has to be in a linear way. Okay, you came from your foundation, you have done automation, and then finally you know about your cloud and all, and then finally you should be I would say in that position where you can learn different tools. Anyways, Git and GitHub you can do it. Jenkins also you can do it. But when it's come to the Docker, Kubernetes and all, then see, once what exactly happened when you, like, for your experience I'm just telling, okay, when you go for 3.5 years of experience being a DevOps engineer only, okay, so they are started expecting everything from you. You should know Terraform. You know Terraform. So what you'll tell? No, I don't know Terraform. Okay, you know Ansible, any configuration management tool. If you say no, I don't know about that one. Okay, you know Docker. Okay, you know containerization. Okay, means in Docker, you know Kubernetes. They'll ask you everything, and then they'll ask you, okay, then what you know? So you will tell no, I know GitHub, I know Jenkins and all, 2-3 tools. Then the rejection will be more because they are looking at someone who is efficient in all the tools. That is the requirement. Okay, that is the minimum requirement. Okay, so and you are not going to get all those tools at once. That is also there. You will going to get bits and pieces. Very honestly, I'm telling you. What do you think? Like during these 7 years, I was continuously working on all those tools. No, at somewhere I have worked on Ansible. At somewhere I have worked on your Docker, or I would say in the Kubernetes, right? And GitHub, it will be there. But there is something which is keep continuing with me from past 12 plus years. That is Linux. Okay, and that is after that, I would say, like 4 years earlier it was VMware only, 5 years, and then cloud was with me. So these two things is the pillar of entire, I would say, if you are working as an infrastructure. Basically I call this one entire thing as a operation and management.